welcome back to the channel for another epic video, you dig what I'm saying?
And then we're running this off so it'll be lower. Right? So we're gonna put a plate right here so we can put on some reinforcement. First grip lines. Not here, we can use that other one. That one. Next I get the grinder this off a little bit to make it lower.
For grip plies, clamped on the rim, shit, I did pretty good.
Tighten that one up. Get it from the bottom.
With the grip plies. Alright, y'all, we're gonna finish grinding it, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on and show y'all the finished product. He's just grinding down all the screws that we have put in there to hold the panel and make everything sturdy, because we did some metal reinforcements behind the fiberglass and whatnot. After he get done, I'm gonna show y'all what that look like. We're gonna finish up this last little bit, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Face is right now grinding off the rivet, making them all nice and smooth so we can put fiberglass at the bottom, do our bottom layer. And we're gonna bondo this thing up with some nice fiberglass bondo, you know what I'm saying? It make it real extra. You dig what I'm saying? And then we out this hole.